Gently, he climbs aboard. And here he'll stay. Leaf chameleon lovers have to stick together, as they so rarely meet one another. For this misfit, being able to get direct access to rich grass must outweigh the risk of being preyed on. Many animals have unique adaptations that make them highly specialized. Marine iguanas are the only lizards on the planet that feed in the sea, grabbing mouthfuls of seaweed whilst holding their breath. With a sticky 60-centimeter tongue and some of the largest claws of any mammal, giant anteaters can devour 30,000 termites in a day. Their bodies are so highly specialized, they can now only ever feed on these tiny insects. Which isn't a bad thing. By weight, termites are more protein-rich than any other food source. Texas blind salamanders spend their entire lives in the pitch black of caves. With zero light, eyes would be utterly useless, a drain on precious energy. Now they sense their prey with receptor cells dotted along their bodies. On a pristine tropical island like this, you might expect it. But here, this mighty beast is a coconut crab with a meter-wide leg span, where is the world's largest land invertebrate. Its outlandish size and strength might be an advantage when it comes to. Like all crabs, these giants have to release their